We come all the way up the wall. We're leaving 3 inches at the top of concrete. The gasket is installed. Our membrane is then embedded into that gasket, creating that airtight seal. Every 2 feet after that, we drill holes into the foundation and install plastic anchor pins, making it virtually impossible to pull the membrane off the wall. We use what's called 20 mil silverback high-strength membrane. Now, this membrane, what's normally used in these applications is a 10 or a 12. We use the highest membrane thickness that there is, which is the 20 mil. That's what's on the floor, and there is a 12 mil on the wall. Putting 20 on the floor because of traffic, people walking on it, technicians, and 12 on the wall simply because there's no traffic on it. Once we've achieved a complete airtight, watertight seal down here, your home becomes preserved for the life of the home. You can come into these systems 20 years later and it will look exactly as it does. Well, maybe some muddy footprints on the floor from changing the air filter. Another key component is that if your HVAC system is in the crawl space, your power bills are going to significantly drop. The life of your system gets extended by an additional 5 years. The air that normally is getting pulled into that ductwork through the dusty crawl space is now crystal clean.